Valentine tonight. Saan nga ba kayo magde-date? May date ba kayo?
Okay, sa bahay ni Fanny Serrano, kaming magkakabarkada.
Uy,
So, ang sweet nyo naman. Kasama si Tita
Friends,
Fanny.
para yung mga walang asawa or wala ng asawa, kasama din namin.
Okay. Monshi? Saan magde-date si Lotlot mamaya?
Kakain sa labas, saka manonood ng concert.
So ano naman ang kakainin ni Mami? Sa kay kakain?
Bakit tayo nag-iiwaso?
Sige, alam mo natin. Baka naman masarap doon. Ariel and Jelly?
Wala pa kaming
plano tonight. Maybe just stay home with the kids. We always like to share our time also with the
Kasi we
kids.
usually go out after Valentine. Kasi ang hirap makipagsabayan.
So, ikaw pala either on the 13th or on the 15th.
Correct.
Jelly. Okay.
Para akong mistress. Di ba? Mas may element of excitement.
Okay. So, thank you. Thank you very much, couples. Thank you very much. So, kailangan pala talaga may romance pa rin. Di ba? May romance, may kilig factor. Up next, kilig factor, heart to heart ni Jelly at Ariel. Day po ngayon, syempre, si Sis, tsaka si Ariel, dapat mag-date. Kung dito naman ako at magsistay ako, nangingialam naman ako. Pangit na nung Christmas, kasama na nila ako. So, ngayon po, bibigyan ko po sila ng pagkakataong magkasarili. Sila naman na mag-heart to heart talk. Makikitsika lang tayo. Okay?
Hi.
Hi. Happy Valentine. Magtatanungan tayong dalawa, honey,
sige,
okay?
sige. Who goes first?
You.
I ask first.
Okay.
Okay. What is something that would truly make you happy?
Hold you, touch you, make you mine.
Siguro yung
I'll give you
for us to stay the way we are, as close as we are, as wanting to grow together with the kids, as I'd like for things to remain now as both wanting the same things in life. Yung hindi yun mag-iba. Kasi pag nag-iba yun, patay, di ba? Ikaw, ano bang, ito? Ano sa ugali mo ang gusto mo mamana ni Waki at ni Julio? One thing.
To be respectful of others, respectful of things, and to respect themselves.
Yan. Ikaw, magtanong ka naman. Actually, gano'n ka ba? Sige, dali.
Thanks, Annie.
No, you're like that. Really.
Okay, if there's one thing that you'd want to change about me, what would that one thing be? Just one, ha? Wag ka na alam ko marami. Isa lang. Top priority.
Ako, for you to drink less. Yon.
Make it sound like alcoholic naman ako.
Hindi naman. Kaya lang kasi pag uminom ka, kailangan ubusin mo yung buong case. Yung kailangan ganun di ba? So, pwede naman kalahating case na lang.
Starting, that'll be my New Year's resolution.
Next year pa yun. Salamat naman kung ganon. Ito. Of all the things that I like to do, ano yung 3 bagay na gusto mong hihilingin mo sa akin, i-give up ko?
Wow. What?
Di pwedeng wala.
Talaga? 3 things. Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin?
Sana alam mo.
You like to, go to the parlor? You like to shop? You like to shop? Hindi ka na mabibigyan yun because that's what you enjoy doing. You like to go out with friends and drink also. I also like you going out with your friends. Wala, one thing that you do. See, give me an example.
Katulad ng pagkain ko.
No, I don't want you to give that up because
Kasi mamamatay ako pag
meron ka naman, may discipline ka naman eh. Ano pa? Another example? Because I can't answer that.
Ano ba? Ang hilig ko sa makeup.
That's fine. That's fine. Hindi ka naman, because you don't...
Perfect pala ako.
Nothing major to wala naman major na babaguhin.
I love you. Ito, next question ko sa'yo. Ano ba ang gusto mo? Ang mabiyudo o ako mabiyuda?
Siguro, I would want to go first.
Bakit
Because
naman?
I know that you...
Iwan mo ko.
Well, we have to choose one. Sabi mo,
Oo
choose
nga,
one.
tama. Correct ka dyan.
Kasi, I know you do well with the 2 kids. And I've already set my mind to having you in my life for my whole life. And siguro pag ikaw nawala, I don't know how I would handle that. Maybe physically,
Touch
maybe
naman
I'm stronger. Pero I think emotionally, you're stronger when it comes to that. So I think it would be better for the kids if one had to go, ako yung nauna. Pangit ng question mo.
Pangit.
Pangit yung
Ikaw,
question.
isusunod kong question, mas nakakainis.
Ako naman, may tanong.
Oh,
eh.
magtanong ka pala. Oh, sorry
Ako,
po.
sometime mga 6 years ago, we broke up, di ba? When we were boyfriend-girlfriend.
Uy, siya nag-bring up nun. Hindi ako, Hindi ako.
Was there ever a time during the 6 months na hiwalay tayo,
4 months lang, ano ka ba?
4 months lang ba?
Oo, ano ito naman, no?
4 months na...
Baka naman kasi 6 months, daily 2 months before, feeling mo wala na tayo.
Hindi, sira. Hindi nga ako marunong sa date eh. Sira. Alam mo naman yun. So, sige, the 4 months na magkasama, hindi tayo magkasama. Did you know na magkakabalikan tayo? Did you know and did you wish we would get back together or did you know we would get back together?
Honestly, ang wish ko magsisi ka. Yun ang wish ko talaga. Kasi galit ako di ba? Galit ako.
Hindi ko winish na magkabalikan tayo na hindi mo na-realize
Yung value ko. Ang kapal ng mukha ko. Pero yun nga, ang feeling ko lang, basta, I was too busy hating you at that time. So, kasi siguro ganun na lang kalaki yung love ko sa'yo. Kaya ganun din kalaki yung galit ko sa'yo at that time.
Understandable.
Tapos nung bumalik ka, parang na-feel ko talaga na you really wanted us to work. So, syempre okay ako dun kasi love naman kita. So, panalo, di ba? Next ko. Sa lahat sa lahat ng mga naging ex, alam siya, hindi ka na naman aamin. Sa lahat ng mga naging ex ko, kanino ka sobrang insecure? Pinatatanong yan ni Romel.
Sino ba naging ex? Isa lang yung kakilala ka naging ex.
Yung isa di mo masyadong kilala.
If I had to choose one, it should certainly be Raymart kasi siya lang yung nakilala ko eh. But I have no reason to be insecure because we're so strong. We're so
That's
strong
true.
naman. So,
That's true.
But if I had to choose one, it would be him, siguro.
Oh, sige. Okay na rin yun.
Tanong ko. Ano ba yung matanong ko?
Gusto mo ako talagang ganun
sige,
din?
tanong.
Ganun din? Yun din? Gusto mo sagutin ko
Sige,
yun?
sagutin mo.
Kanino ako?
Kanino?
Hindi ako insecure.
When will the time come where you will be comfortable with me working with that person?
Depending on what kind of work you're
Project.
talking about. Kung siguro concert, that's just fine with me. Ang ayoko lang masyado kasi ang nangyayari, pag tuwing makakasama mo siya, parang, alika, ungkatin natin! Uy, gawin nating party! Let's make it such a celebration na, they're working together in a movie. Hindi ko gusto yung mga ganun. Kasi nasasaktan ako eh. Gusto ko yung natutuwa ako. Para pa nag-concert ka, natutuwa ako na kakanta kayo together. Okay lang sa akin yun. Fabulous yun.
We're talking about Sharon, no?
Oo, syempre naman, ano? Si Megastar. Tatangi ba ako kay Mega? Diyos ko, nakakahiya.
Baka magka-commercial tayo, di ba, Mega? Hi!
Ano pinakatatakutan mo right now? Kung meron man. Pagdating sa atin.
Sa
Sa atin dalawa.
Sa atin, natatakot ako na mapabayaan natin yung mga bata. That's my greatest fear right now. Mapabayaan natin. Not in a sense na we'll forget all about them, but yung pagkatutok natin sa kanila, maging lax tayo masyado.
O sige. Saan ka ba discontented ngayon? If you have any discontentment.
Wala.
Oo.
Wala.
Happy naman tayo, di ba?
Yeah. Wala talaga.
Perfect nga, sabi nga ni Janice.
Right now, wala.
O sige. Ito ang next question ko. Pwede ka muna.
Okay. Do you see yourself migrating sometime in the future, migrating to Canada and living there permanently with tayong pamilya natin. Is that something you would consider or
Yes,
something
yes.
you
Because I
you see
know
yourself?
that's what would make you happy too. And I don't mind naman living there. Giniginaw lang ako kapag winter, di ba? Mas malamig lang masyado. Pero siguro, not now pa. Siguro, talagang in the future. Siguro when the kids are grown up. That would be an option. I wouldn't mind.
Okay.
Okay? Hindi na ako magtatanong, okay na tayo, di ba?
Okay na tayo.
Okay naman tayo. Okay na ang Valentine natin. Ito naman, para mas okay ang Valentine ninyo, pakikinggan natin ang latest pakinggan natin ang latest